Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Foxtel remote suddenly stops responding, it can make even simple tasks like changing channels or navigating menus frustrating. You press buttons and nothing happens, or the response is delayed and inconsistent. This issue doesn't always mean the remote is broken in many cases. It's caused by something simple like weak batteries, signal interference, or pairing problems. Since the remote relies on either infrared or Bluetooth communication, even a small disruption can stop it from working properly. The good news is that most of these problems can be fixed quickly without replacing the remote. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to get your Foxtel remote working again step by step to try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries with a fresh set and ensure proper placement. Step 2. Restart your Foxtel box to refresh the connection. Step 3. Check for any obstacles blocking the remote signal. Step 4. Repair the remote with the Foxtel box if required. Step 5. Clean the remote buttons to remove dirt or stuck keys. Step 6. Test all buttons to confirm the remote is responding normally